What is up guys, done at the site. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Adyen payment method in Shopify. So first you need to head over to your Shopify's website and then you need to log in with your account credentials, and then when you're redirected to the home page here, you will see the add payments method. But if you can't see it here on the left side at the bottom, you need to click on settings, and after clicking on settings, you just simply need to click on payments. And after clicking on payments here, the payments window will open, and from this payment window, you just simply need to click on add payment method. If you have any of the payment method activated, you just simply need to deactivate it first. And after that, you can click on add payment method. And from here, you can search for Adyen keyword. And after that, this will just simply load the Adyen keywords. Sorry guys, my test payment bogus gateway was activated, that's why it was not showing, but I just simply deactivated it now. And then here, as you can see, the Adyen payment credit cards. Simply click on this, and after that, whatever payment gateway you have available, you can just simply click on this install to install the Adyen payments credit cards extension. And then you can just simply enter all the details of your bank account or your card details, and then you can just simply add your Adyen payment methods to your Shopify store. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.